Hazrat Imam Ali radiallahu ta'ala said, one who is kind to the people, his outcomes become good and the ways become easy for him. Kiss your children because for every kiss you will get a higher rank in heaven. Said Ali ibn Abi Talib, take warning. He has now exposed so many of your sinful activities that it appears as if he has forgiven you. It may be that he has given you time to repent. I am amazed at the one who knows that there is reward for actions. How can he not make his action righteous? That is better than a life of humiliation. Your age is getting shorter and shorter. Help someone with whatever you have. Never take responsibility for the work that is difficult for you to carry out and you do not have power over it. Imam Ali radiallahu ta'ala was asked, what about her name Zainab? Imam Ali, she was called Zainab because she is a joy for her father. Zain mean joy and Ab mean father. So that's why Zainab. The words of Allah are the medicine of the heart. Do not chase who does not want you. Half of your beauty comes from the way you speak. Life consists of 2 days, one for you, one against you. So when it's for you, don't be proud or reckless. And when it's against you, be patient, for both days are tests for you. Do not let the difficulties fill you with anxiety. After all, it is only the darkest night that the stars shine more brilliantly. What is gone. What is to come will come, and what is meant to happen will happen. Help others, and God will help you. Forgive others, and God will forgive you. Never make a decision in anger, and never make a promise in happiness. The best revenge is to improve yourself. It is easier to turn a mountain into dust than to create love in a heart that filled with hatred. The world can not defeat you until you accept the defeat. The tongue is like a lion. If you let it loose, it will wound someone. Beautiful people are not always good, but good people are always beautiful. Anger is like a ball of fire, but if you swallow it, it's sweeter than honey. Let go of anything that brings you stress and sorrow. Make 3 rules of life. Be sure to apologize for what you want. Never give up what you want. Never hide anything from someone who trusts you. Smile even if your heart is dripping blood. Be like the flower that gives its fragrance even to the hand that crushed it.